everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite soups, which is classic hot and sour soup. This is a really comforting soup, especially in the colder months and if you're feeling a little bit under the weather, because it's packed full of nourishing ingredients. The peppery and vinegary soup base is filled with pork strips, tofu cubes, ribbons of egg, and a medley of mushrooms. So if you want to know how to make this easy hot and sour soup, then keep watching and let's get cooking. So now our hot and sour soup is all done and it's time to have a taste. And it's best to have this when it's piping hot. So I've already served myself a little bowl of it. With the first sip of the soup, you straight away get the pepper and vinegar flavors, which are both perfectly balanced. And then the strips of ginger really helps to clear your nose, which is why I think this is the perfect natural cold remedy. And then there's lots of wonderful textures in the soup as well, with the tofu and the pork and the different mushrooms. It really is so hearty and chunky. I'd be more than happy to eat it as a meal with a bowl of rice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this classic hot and sour soup. Remember, you can always check out the full written recipe on my cooking blog, peckishlulu.com. And if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on my socials on Instagram and Facebook as well. And if you have a go at making this easy soup, then make sure you tag me. I love to check it out, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay peckish!